Assalamu alaikum, batch 160. I'm really excited right now and happy as well that you all are finally graduating, and so many congratulations on that. I just wanted to say one thing right now, and that is that we all know each other through our laptop screens, but still the amount of love and respect that you guys showed was phenomenal. It is very difficult for me to just summarize all of the memories and all of the fun that we had throughout the fellowship in this single video, but I just wanted to encourage you guys to hold on to those learnings and hold on to those values that you guys learned throughout the fellowship and take them with you wherever you go in your life. With that, I just wanted to wish you all best of luck and congratulations once again for your graduation. Take care, guys. Allah Hafiz.
Hi everyone, I am super excited for you all to have made it this far. Despite COVID and many other challenges, you all managed to pull through with the right kind of attitude, growth mindset, and adaptability. So in my journey with you all, I did not only see that you learned all of those skills and values, but witnessed you apply them also. Now with that being said, I also think that your real journey is to begin now only. I hope and pray that you continue to achieve great things in life, and lastly, I'd like to thank you for making me a better person and being such a wonderful addition to the Amal family. Congratulations once again.
Assalamu alaikum, beloved fellows. I am Avas. Many of you might remember me as your cluster manager. I managed batches 158 all the way up to 162. As you graduate today, I want to share the name of our cluster and the thought behind that with you. It was Khoobsirat. This word is not a statement of what is, it's an aspiration of what can be. Today, as you graduate, always try to have better intentions for the work that you approach, for the people that you work with, for everything and everyone that you share your life with. There are certain times when we might have presumptions about these experiences. I want you to approach everything with an open mindset and with beautiful and good intentions. Secondly, as you graduate, I'm pretty sure and I've already seen that you're expressing a lot of gratitude and humility to your team members and to many members of the Amal team as well. I want you to remember that it's not just them, it's also in big part your own hard work and dedication that has enabled you to be where you are today. So never forget that there were people who applied who did not get selected. There were people who got selected and they could not start. There were people who started and they could not even graduate. You are here and you are who you are because of all of the hard work and dedication that you put into your fellowship. There are people who want to have beautiful things, and then there are people who do something about it. You are those people. Best of luck with the rest of this beautiful journey. Keep on supporting each other in your future and keep sharing your updates with your fellowship team members. Keep on shining like the stars that you are.
And now, coming towards the most awaited part of today, which is all about you guys. So first of all, we have the gold medalist from batch 160. Can you guys guess who it is? Mohammad Zain Ahsan. Congratulations, Zain. Now we have the best mega project, and for that we have Dream Earth. Congratulations, guys. Next up we have the highest honors, and those include Maaz bin Salman, Muhammad Amir, Muhammad Awais Sabir, Ahmad Munir, Fatma Batul, Hamza Bashir, Hasnain Munir, Resham Akmal, Saman Shakil, Shahir Ahmed Ghori, Sara Naveed Khan, Mohammad Alim Qasim, Maham Ahsan, Maria Arshad. And now we have the honors, and those include Ahmed Sufyan, Ahmed Yunus, Amir Hayat, Awais Shiraz, Khurnik Zehra, Gulzeb, Hira Chishti, Khansa Umatullah, Mahnoor Farooq, Muhammad Bilal, Muhammad Fahd, Muhammad Imran, Muhammad Shahzeb Mughal, Muhammad Usman Khan, Saba Yusuf, Sameen Israr, Sidratul Muntaha, Tuba Jabin, Waleed Afzal, Waqar Ahmed, Muhammad Fahad. And the remaining graduates are Khatija Saif, Khwaja Hassan Wasim, Laiba Sundas, Somna Zehra. And so now batch 160 is ready to take flight. Congratulations guys and best of luck.